My name is Kainan, a member of Group 6, and I'm going to talk about Tolkien biography. John Ronald Reuel Tolkien is the full name of the award-winning philosopher, writer, and university professor, known internationally by J.R.R. Tolkien, author of renowned works such as The Hobbit and The Lord of the Rings, entitled the title of Doctor of Letters and Philology by the University of Leeds and Dublin. Born in Africa, in Bloemfontein, in the Republic of the Orange Free State, present-day South Africa, at the age of 3, together with his mother and brother, removed to England, his parents' birthplace, where he was appointed by Queen Elizabeth II as commander of the Order of the British Empire in 1972. He is appointed as the father of fantastic literature and considered by many to be one of the greatest and the most successful authors of fantastic literature of all time. His childhood was strongly marked by fairy tales generated by his mother, who stimulated Tolkien's imagination for the creation of other worlds and fantastic beings. After the mother's death, the orphaned brothers went to the care of Father Francis Morgan, and the young Tolkien, best talent in linguistic studies, studying in science and modern languages, having strongly influenced his passion for language and his way of creating other realities. For him, composition was like a robin in which the word first came and tell the story.
My name is Jean, component of the Productive Group 6. In this we Tolkien served an honorary Doctor of Letters from the University of Oxford and obtained his latest and most important title, the Order of the British Empire. August 2 Lapa 273 Tolkien fell during a party and the next morning he was hospitalized with a was and bleeding. On Saturday, it was discovered that he had chest infection. At the age of lap on 3 years of Saturday, September 2, 273, talking cat Inglaterra, Buring, which if he was caught, meteor in a tomb made of granite. Below his name is the scripted bead after his dead son Huring. Ecclesiastes in Twist City, his most recently published book, also based in manuscript by Tolkien, is fet in 392. The way war Tolkien would have been years old to tweet Hell's Planet in honor Oxford by the Tolkien Society and the Mythopoeic Society, group of Heard and School of Wiswork.
My name is Him, component of the Productive Group 6, and now I will present some of the works made by Tolkien. Therein, Theories of 42 made by him. Amongst the we have Cigarine and the Green Knight, Hobbit, Unfair Story, Family James of Ham, The Lord of the Rings, The Two Towers, The Return of the Kings, The Adventures of Tom Bombadil, Bilbo's Last Song, Smith of Mount Major, Silmarillion.
My name is Isaac, component of the Reproductive Group 6. In a work created by Tolkien, The Hobbit is one of the most acclaimed books of fantasy literature of all time. which later come to life in a movie set in the same universe as The Lord of the Rings. In this universe, probably the most important beings were the Hobbits, mainly Bilbo Baggins and Frodo. Bilbo was born in 2819 in the Shire calendar and Frodo in 2968. The two are the most celebration representative of the peoples, always optimistic, happy and fans of a kid life. Tolkien has an usual inspiration to create the term The Hobbit, the word the Old English word. In 1928, uh, Tolkien scribbled on a piece of paper in a burrow in the group Live a Hobbit. It sounds like a random sentence from the work, but it is actually the first sentence in the book. When he heard this, he, he had no idea what a hobbit would be. Consequently, he ended up stringing himself in the description and in the story.
My name is Kainan. I'm part of the Productive Group 6, and now I'm going to tell you a little about Lord of the Rings, a work by the British writer of South African origin Tolkien, composed in the form of trilogy, first published between 1954 and 1955. The title of the work refers to Sauron, the incarnation of evil in Middle-earth, the imaginary world in which the action takes place, and which Sauron seeks to dominate completely. To this end, he has forged a ring with extreme properties, since his great be the power to conquer the world and reduce it to ashes.